Hey there! If you want to learn how to get these glamorous baby hairs, keep watching and I will show you on this side. First, we're going to need some edge control, your choice. I'm using Hold Me Down by Miss Jessie. You'll need a comb as well, rat tail, baby hair brush and comb, got to be glued, and rhinestones. So first you're going to comb your baby hairs down, which you would normally use for baby hair, or if you don't have some, your shortest hair in the front will work perfectly. You just keep combing that to the front until you get the desired amount of hair that you want to work with. Like so. You can always add more or put some back as well.
Oh, yeah. He talked to your honor. Oh no. I cannot honor. Oh no. Cause I know the farmer.
Next, you're going to take some edge control and apply it on your brush and begin to brush down your baby hairs to lay them. You would want to brush them in a swoop shape or motion so that you can get that curve / circle baby hair look at the ends. So just keep brushing it in a swoop motion. As you can see, I'm combing my desired piece of baby hair to work with, and you can start wherever you want to. I like to use the tip of the comb to either hold down the edge or utilize the comb and swoop it around my finger, which is holding down the edge. Either way works, just to help create that swoop circle at the end. So just keep using your comb and your finger as you swoop it around your finger if you hold it down with your finger, or if you swoop it around the comb and you utilize the comb to hold it down. Notice how I'm using every finger to help create that circle motion, and it comes out like this. Now I'm using Got to Be Glued to kind of give it some extra hold. I wouldn't say use Got to Be Glued paste or lotion on the whole thing because it can become very crusty and white once you use too much of it. So I would say start with edge control and just use the Got to Be Glued on the end to keep it in place.
Look at your hair, the edges of the back.
Huh?
At the back.
My back? My hair's messed up at the back?
No, the back. The back right here.
Right here?
Next to your hair.
This one?
Yeah.
I'm sorry. So again, just continuously holding down the edges until it stays in place, and use the comb to kind of push in the top of the edges. You're about to see me do right here. Just push it in, and it makes the swoop effect a little bit more distinct. Just keep doing it until it's perfect for you. And now I'm going to do the same to the rest of my edges. Just using the comb, my finger, and the edge control and Got to Be Glued to keep the edges in place. Once I get it to the desired swoop that I want, I use the Got to Be Glued to keep the circle part of the swoop down. And then I move on to the next one. So just keep doing this until you've successfully swooped all of your edges.
Ballin', so I let my bitch switch on the game. Water, so I let my bitch treat it on the had to go and did my bitch switch on the water. Designer boots, so I let the bitch sit on the stage. But they love it when the bands came.
Here I split the edge baby hair into 3 parts to give it a 3-part swoop here, inspired by the Alicia Keys Grammy look. I split it into 3 parts, and then I begin to also swoop them and lay them down how I did the other ones. But this is all up to you, so you can split them into as many parts as you would like. To apply the rhinestones, we're going to need some more Got to Be Glued, the rat tail comb, and the rhinestones. You'll apply some Got to Be Glued to the back of the rhinestone, the part that's supposed to touch your skin. Using your fingertip, you'll push the rhinestone onto the place where you want it on your baby hairs. And you'll use the comb, the end of the comb, to reinforce it. You do the same thing again. Apply some Got to Be Glued on the back of the rhinestone. Put it where you want it, along your edges. and then use the end of the comb to reinforce it and to just give it that extra push. This can get tricky and difficult because the glue can get stuck onto the comb, which just happened to me here. But don't get frustrated. Just use your finger or something else to help you push it off of the end of the comb. The glue is really strong, so it's gonna stay on. You don't need that much, by the way, just a small amount is good. Just repeat those steps.
Spend the night, then we all end up in my house. Let's hit the room and turn the lights.
When you finish applying all of your rhinestones, it is okay to retouch your edges at the tops. Just utilize some more edge control and be very careful brushing it. This just gives it the complete sleek look. As you're going back in to do this, just avoid touching any of the rhinestones directly. And this is the complete look of the glam edges, bedazzled baby hairs, or whatever you want to call them.
You want me to do your baby hair?
And I do this one.
You was looking kinda lonely. I walked up on you and asked what you drinking. And now you're dancing on me, telling me you want me. I'm thinking about leaving now, girl. Let's go. So your girls, they can go with us. I got friends, we can hook them up. Got the car outside, we can slide and go and make a move. One of those nights for us to remember. Got my homeboy hanging out the window, trying to get it to friends. Y'all can hop in and we can ride out. Mess around and spend the night out. Then we all end up in my house. Let's hit the room and turn the lights out, yeah. We about to make a movie.
Turn that way. Turn that way. Put your head down a little bit. Baby bling. All right. Later.
You gave her some bling for her?
Just one.
Not that blue, right?
Just a little. It's only one. I only gave her a little dab.
Make a movie.